Welcome to the Prepare for the Virtual Fair overview. This presentation will provide a quick and efficient overview to set you up for success at this year's Virtual Fall Career Fair. In this presentation, you will learn how to prepare for the Virtual Fall Career Fair, how to register for the Virtual Fall Career Fair, how to make the most meaningful connections in a virtual presence, and the resources available to assist you in your job or internship search. The 2021 Virtual Fall Career Fair will be held on Thursday, September 9 from 4 to 7 p.m. online via Handshake. Next, we'll dive into some frequently asked questions. First, who is invited to attend the fair? The Career Fair is open to all Villanova students and alumni of all years and majors. What should I do to prepare for the fair? Reference the Prepare for the Fair student to-do list, which we'll be diving into in a moment. Where is the virtual fair? As mentioned, the fair will be hosted on the Handshake Fair platform. Download the Handshake app or log in on your computer to view the current list of employers attending. How many employers are attending the virtual fair? There are more than 110 employers registered for the fair, and this number continues to grow every day. Next up, let's review the Prepare for the Fair student to-do list. Please reference this to-do list in the coming days before the career fair. I will go through each step with you now. Step 1. Fill out your Handshake profile and set the profile privacy to community. This can be done under settings. First, we will navigate to Handshake. Now that we're in Handshake, you're going to select your profile icon in the top right-hand corner. From here, you'll dive down to Settings. And once you're in Settings, you'll scroll down until you see Privacy. From here, you'll ensure that Community has been selected, or you can go ahead and select it if it has not yet been done. Once that is completed, you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Save Update here in this green button. Step 2 is to upload your most up-to-date resume as visible. Again, this can be done through Handshake. Once you are in Handshake, you will navigate again to your profile icon in the top right-hand corner, and you will select My Documents. From here, you can add a new document if you don't have a resume already built in, or you can update a currently uploaded resume as visible. Next is Step 3. Review the list of employers registered for the fair. Again, this will be done in the Handshake platform. Once in Handshake, you'll navigate to the Events tab. From here, you can search for the fair in the search bar, or you can simply scroll down until you find the 2021 Virtual Fall Career Fair. From here, you can scroll down and view the details of the Fall Career Fair, as well as view the employers attending. If you select Show All 105 Employers, that will show all currently registered employers for the fair. If you would like to get notified when sessions are added for a specific employer, select Follow next to the employer name. Step 4, student registration begins on September 1st at 9 a.m. At this time, you will be able to sign up for 10-minute one-on-one sessions and 30-minute group sessions with employers and recruiters. It is important to check the list of registered employers continually, as employers will be creating new schedules often. Now, let's navigate to Handshake to view the one-on-one session and group session sign-up process. In order to sign up for one-on-one sessions or group sessions, you will navigate to the 2021 Virtual Fall Career Fair in Handshake. From here, you can register for the fair as well as view available sessions. Through this tab, you can scroll through the list of employers as well as see their one-on-one session and group session availability. From here, you can select the employer that you're interested in reviewing and actually sign up for that one-on-one session. All of the available times that the recruiter has to offer will be listed, and you can actually select which time works best for your schedule And once finished, you can hit confirm on the bottom left-hand corner. As you continue to build out your schedule, you will eventually be able to view your full schedule under the Your Schedule tab. From here, this will show all of your sessions that you have available for the career fair. Step 5. Prior to the fair, test your video and audio connection using the Twilio network test. This will ensure that your video and audio are set up for success to use the Handshake platform during the fair. Step 6. On the day of the fair, use a Handshake preferred browser. These include Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. If you use a different browser, you might experience some technical difficulties with the fair platform. Finally, if you have questions about your resume or interview prep, please make an appointment with a career counselor on Handshake or visit us during drop-in hours. And lastly, if you have any questions, you can always feel free to email hirenova@villanova.edu with any questions. For additional resources, reference your registration confirmation email. If you have any questions about the fair, again, email hirenova@villanova.edu and the employer recruiting team will assist you. We can't wait to see you at the fair.